জব কাৰ্ড কি হয় আপোনালোকে জানে নে গৈ জব কাৰ্ড হৈছে NGNR তাৰে ভিতৰত জব কাৰ্ডটো থাকে জব কাৰ্ড কোনে কোনে পাইছে হাত দাঙিব লাগে
Departmental convergence evolved organically when the CBOs collaborated with local governance bodies for accessing their entitlements. It is a vital aspect of the PRI CBO Convergence project, aimed at bridging the gap between various government departments and the community. Different departments cater to specific aspects of development, such as healthcare, education, livelihood, sanitation, and many more. These departments also implement multiple schemes, programs, and projects that are community-centric.
Faika abam, faika agaba oi sat gaba de zamano de wa meneng jani gemen. Ya na ya no thirik paida nang na arat te jo ha. To pikesani dam khul khai phana gada man gen.
तो लाइवलीहुड प्लान जब हमने देखा तो हमें पता चला कि उसमें बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग्स की जो डिमांड है वो आई थी तो हमने स्किल डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस करने का स्ट्रैटेजी बनाया तो कैसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा डिपार्टमेंट के साथ कन्वर्जेंस हो पाया वो हमने ट्राई किया तो यहाँ पे वो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में अवेलेबल है जैसे आर्कनेट हो गया टी प्लांटेशन हो गया जैक फ्रूट हो गया मशरूम कल्टिवेशन के लिए भी यहाँ पे जो है वो फेवरेबल एनवायरनमेंट है तो ये सारी चीज़ें देखने के बाद हमें पता चला कम्युनिटी में जो है वो स्किल डेवलपमेंट और जो मोटिवेशन है वो देना काफ़ी ज़रूरी है ताकि वो लोग जो अपना लाइवलीहुड है वो स्टार्ट कर पाए तो इसलिए हमने कन्वर्जेंस किया एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के साथ KVK होम साइंस डिपार्टमेंट के साथ हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट के साथ कन्वर्जेंस करके हमने ट्रेनिंग्स अरेंज की कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स के लिए और जब ये ट्रेनिंग्स कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स ने अटेंड की तो वो लोग बहुत खुश थे कि उन्हें ये ट्रेनिंग्स अटेंड करने का और एक कुछ नया चीज़ सीखने का उनको मौका मिल रहा है ये ट्रेनिंग्स खत्म हुए हमें पता चला कि कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स उसको घर जाके भी अपने घर पे ट्राई कर रहे हैं जो उन्होंने उस ट्रेनिंग्स में सीखा है
Karep ka ba nga rep te ka day bakong san ukuba nang ta u pan bat u ing te day tat hadu ba ka jingdon chunga po ka self help group bat kumju ru ha ka jingwan jong kine ki member jong ki LRG ki wan ban ajing shai bat ba kadwan kalat kalenti mo ban yo ya kani ka pawat relat ti ha ka to ka por ba ki wan ha yeng te ngala chu pha perong kerteng lem kan te bat haden bala perong kerteng haden kato kat ni la wan ka kerteng ba ngala don ngala yo ya kani ka pawat relat ti kata kadai ka bas ngo tenat bat nga ha ka jing sngo junga nga sngo ba nga ai ngu mo ya ka jing ya trei lang bat ya ka jing wan ban penchai lang jong kini ki member jong ki LRG
Under this project, a number of health camps have been organized and in that health camp, a number of enrollment have been done for the SAG members who previously were not enrolled before under this Ayushman Bharat scheme.
Comparing to before, now we get lots of beneficiaries and then more people turn up. Top of that, we do not conduct a single program, but along with one program, we go hand in hand along with, suppose say for malaria, if we are doing campaign for malaria, then along with malaria, we do immunization, ANC checkup, and other vertical programs as well.
Viti department te horticulture department te le KVK department te den tikhanin convergence in enge animal husbandry lampanga te po khanin tikhan training te nei hobin KVK department te dian khatia via VPRP beneficiaries how kami achievement na tur kha thei to pin ma kan la a training te nei in tikhanin the animal health camp te le enge I ran nei how ang te kha African swine fever vanlai phaya te lo lenga khatiang ang har satna sutkian na tur khanin I training te kan nei a tikhanin veti doctor ten training te min pe a chuang ke mani ho ten tikhan SAG member a tikhanin training te kan pe vele chhonga
ICDS provides lots of services. First one is free supplementary nutrition. We distribute this supplementary nutrition to children who are below 6 years and also to pregnant mothers and lactating mothers. And we also provide free medication, especially iron and calcium, especially to pregnant mothers. And also we distribute albendazole to children who are below 6 years. Apart from that, we also have services for immunization. We make sure that each and every one of our beneficiaries, as I've said, especially those children who are below 6 years, they receive timely immunization. So in this regard, we work in convergence with Department of Health and Family Welfare.
21-22 का बीच में NRO उधम सिंह का साथ में हम लोग ने 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स काम किया था। एक तो एडल्ट लिटरेसी कैंपेन का ऊपर में और एक डे केयर सेंटर और एक है हम लोग का अभी पोषण अभियान पोषण बटिका और बच्चा लोगों को अटेंडेंस थोड़ा ज़्यादा बढ़ाने के लिए एनरोलमेंट का ऊपर में भी काम किया था। काफ़ी अवेयरनेस और सेंसिटाइजेशन प्रोग्राम चाइल्ड मैरिजेस का ऊपर में भी किया। उसके बाद डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस का ऊपर में किया, फिर पोक्सो एक्ट का ऊपर में भी हम लोग ने अभियान चलाया।
Before, the SAG members have a fear in visiting the bank, so now I think it's a lot easier to approach the bank.
Beneficiary som thum le paruk te ne na gas connection mi som nga le pasari te na gas connection mo sakan ni a.
It often happens that the community members lack awareness about these various government schemes and programs that they are entitled to. In some instances, in spite of having heard about the schemes, they remain ignorant about the basic eligibility of the scheme, the process of applying for it, and which office to even approach. This realization paved the way for initiating the convergence camps that brought the entitlement and the rights to the doorsteps.
LRGs have done in these 18 villages, they have been able to actually know the demands of all these community members at these 18 villages, and they have put forth that demand through the VAC, through the block office, and through that we have come to consolidate the VPRP demands, and we have had a various convergence camp in these 18 villages. We have 10 convergence camp conducted in these villages. So through this CBO PRI convergence project and through these convergence camp, the community members have been able to avail the services of the state as well as the central government. They've been able to enroll, for example, in Aadhaar enrollment, in MHIS or health card enrollment, as well as eShram enrollment through the Labour Department, and working together with all the other line departments, for example, the Agriculture Department, the Horticulture Department, as well as the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. They've been able to put their demands, and through the awareness program, through the convergence camp, they have been able to meet those demands.
It facilitates orientation sessions and meetings with departments to enhance the official understanding and the local context and the demand raised through the 4 components of the Village Poverty Reduction Plan (VPRP). These orientations happened at the state, district and block levels, where the nature of demands by the SHGs are discussed. The officials share what are the current running schemes that can address these needs.
Kane ka adhar baki wan ra wan ki wan lam ha shnong jongi baki wan pen I ha shnong jongi yo jeng toy shibun mar ka laj yangi ka pen laj yang pen yo jeng toy ngi ban laj chaw we ki shnong na laj chaw we shnong ngi kam not pon ka wan ra shnong jongi yo jeng toy shibun
Alsat na kanita hay kataksa pangking ding lam panghi azing ang deu yani hey finger blindness heng te dung angin kamang thei lawa amedi disable ka kanitang hianin ICDS lamatangin tiang le wheelchair katonga kalom yani chuanin LRG nuai thopinui puina wangin engkim hey thil fil ap ngai jong song te anin ni ti saka chunga pok alom le a mi jong song tang na thil tangkai a disable rol ban lo ta tang na thil tangkai le tha ni wang hian in thil thiat na hi war taka khotina nei thei ni se alo mom hleng ka ring